Alright guys, what's up? We'll try and make this short. Right. Anyways, talking oil filters. Doing an oil change on the 6.4 here. So, here's basically three options, that everybody recommends on all the forums. You've got your aftermarket. You got your Wix XP here. This is the 5760, the smallest one of the bunch. And then you've got your 57899 XP, which is exactly the same as the Mopar filter. Supposedly the only difference is has a little bit higher of, hold on here. Alright, train going by. Supposed to have a little higher of a bypass relief valve spring pressure, but it's only like 1 or 2 psi difference. I think it's like maybe 16 to 18. This one might be 14 to 16. So for the heck of it, I'm gonna put the smaller one on today. The only other difference besides obvious size is your sealing surface. I don't know if there's a good way to do this on the camera, but there's a little bit of a difference in size there, but not too big. I do think that the SRT filter has a little bit wider gasket on it than the Wix. I do usually notice that when I take off the SRT filter, it feels like it's a little bit, it's a little raised on the one side, like I'm only putting like 80% of the gaskets actually touching the oil filter mounting. So for the heck of it, I'm going to use the small one today. No real difference. I change my oil like every 4,000 or 5,000 miles anyways. But just want to see if my oil pressure or something's different. Should not be. So I just wanted to do you guys a quick comparison. Catch you guys later.